What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can get the Moltres, Zapdos and Articuno emblem in Pokemon TCG Pocket. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, consider supporting the channel by checking out our Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. So let's get started. So you might have seen this emblem on your friends' profiles or other people's profiles. And there was some speculation on how you can get this emblem. So a lot of people suggested that you need to collect all 3 cards to obtain this emblem. But if you take a closer look at this emblem right here, you can see that it says that the emblem can be obtained through missions. But also, if you go to your missions tab and search for this mission, you can't really find it anywhere. But that doesn't mean that this mission doesn't exist. It just means that this might be a secret mission. A secret mission is a mission that's not visible in the missions tab, but is visible only once you solve it and get the prize. So now we know that the emblem is obtainable through secret missions. But what exactly do you need to do to obtain this emblem? Well, you would need to collect each one of these 3 cards, each one of the cards for each specific legendary bird, and they need to have a rainbow border, they need to be full art and be EX. So this is exactly how those 3 cards look. So you would need to collect these exact 3 cards to unlock this legendary bird's emblem. They can't be any other version than these 3 cards. So remember, EX, 2 stars, full art and rainbow border. So that's how you can obtain this legendary bird's emblem in Pokemon TCG Pocket. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out our Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.